Okay, the sector below has a radius of 9 centimeters. So remember now, sector is part of the circle. And it says if the arc length is 40, now the arc length will be all the way around here, yeah? That's the arc there, and the length of it is 40. Determine the value of angle x and leave your answer in terms of pi. Right, okay, so first thing you do in this case is you consider the circumference. Okay, the circumference. Now, the circumference is all the way around the circle, isn't it? Okay, the formula for that is pi times diameter. Okay, pi times d. And in this case, well, the radius is 9, isn't it? So the diameter will be double it. So the diameter will be 18. So the circumference is 18 pi. However, I don't want all the way around, don't I? I only want a bit of it. And we are told that the arc length is equal to 40 centimeters. Okay, this is equal to 40 here. Now remember, the arc length represents a fraction of all the way around. And the question is, what is that fraction? Well, the angle here is x. So the fraction will be x out of all the way around. So x out of 360. Okay, that will be the fraction. So it's x out of 360, the fraction of the full circumference, which is this. And that will equal then to 40. Okay. Now, all they want then is for us to work out what x is and leave it in terms of pi. Okay. Well, it's quite straightforward in terms of we've got x here now and we've got pi here. We've just got to rearrange this to help us, right? Now, what I would do is try and simplify this first. 18 and 360. See if we can cancel down. Now, 18 does go into 360, if you think about it. 18 goes into 180, doesn't it? 10 times. So that means 18 will go into 360, double that, 20 times. So 18 goes into 360 20 times. So 18 over 360 will cancel to be 1 over 20. Okay, so we'll get x times pi on top and divide by 20 on the bottom. This then will equal to 40. Okay, and then we just need to rearrange this to get x equals. So if we take the 20 over the other side and times, so we get x times pi is equal to 800. And then x will equal to, well, I'll take that pi over the other side and we'll divide. So I have 800 divided by pi. Now I've written x in terms of pi and we've got our answer. Quite a bit of math work to do here in terms of cancellation. But remember to use the answer for the arc length and appreciate that it's just a fraction of the full circumference and then rearrange to get x.